I'm going to show you the various ways you can import a module in Python. You can follow along on CodePad.app, which is our free modern online coding platform. Python has lots of modules, and you can even create your own. In this example, I'm going to import a platform module. Keywords import followed by the name of the module. To get a list of the variables and methods that you call, you can look it up, or if you have the language server enabled on CodePad, it will show you this. So I'm going to call it a system method. And when I run this, you can see that we're just using Linux as our operating system. One thing to note is that the name of the module platform is in the same namespace as your variable. So for example, if you accidentally called a variable called platform and give it a value, once you run it, it will fail now because you've overridden the module that you imported. You can see the object has no attribute system. This is trying to call one.system, which obviously does not work. Now, if you don't want to keep typing platform, you can shorten this. In Python, you can use the as keyword and give it an alias such as p. So in this case, I can now refer to it as p.system, and it will work as expected. Another keyword you can use is the from keyword, and by using this, you avoid having to repeat the module name. So for example, I can do from platform, and then I can import system. And when I do that, I don't need to say platform anymore. I can just call system directly. So as you can see, the thing that you're importing, system, goes into your namespace. You can import more than one thing, so you can just separate them with commas. And the other thing that you can also do is you can use the star, which is a wildcard, to import everything. Now, there's a little bit of risk in that because you might not know exactly what you're importing. So again, if you didn't know that there was a system there and you did a system equals 1 or something like this, then later on when you try to call the system variable, you get the same error as before. That covers the bulk of importing in Python. Thanks for watching.